Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be looking at the Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is a case from Supcase. This is the packaging right here. Unicorn Beetle Pro. I've had these cases in the past and they are pretty good. This is going to be something that will be comparable to something like an OtterBox Defender. It is a two-piece case with belt clip, which I will show you in a second. This version does not have a screen protector over it because of the edges and the S Pen and all that. They just decided to leave that off on this model. So no screen protector, but the front and or the top and the bottom right here are raised rather, so you do get pretty good screen protection if you choose to lay the phone down. You can actually see, well, it's hard to see at this angle, but there's actually a little bit of a gap right here where I can see underneath the phone because the top and the bottom are not flat against the screen, so you do get pretty good protection that way. If you drop your phone face down, you do have a little bit of protection there. Unless you drop it on an uneven surface, you're really not going to have to worry about breaking the screen or cracking the screen. I had a screen protector on this phone which I took off because it had a little cutout on it for the fingerprint sensor, and it was visible even when the phone was on or when you were in an app, something with a white screen or where it was a lot of light. It was very noticeable, and it got old after a while. It also slowed down the fingerprint sensor, so I just went ahead and decided to take it off and get a good case to protect my phone instead of a screen protector. I'm looking at some other screen protectors that I might try out for some videos and for some reviews. So if I do get those, you guys will see those later on. But let me show you the belt clip that comes with the case. Again, similar to your OtterBox style, if you want to protect the screen on the phone, another good way is to leave it in this belt clip. Even if you're putting it in your pocket, you can put it in this belt clip. It does add a little bit of bulk, but it does protect the screen because it covers it when it's in your pocket or on your belt, wherever you choose to put it. You can do it both ways though, so if you want to use the belt clip for some reason with the screen facing out, it does clip in both ways, which is a nice feature to have. Another thing about the case is it does have a kickstand on the back right here, so you just pull right here and it will slide down. There we go. Oop. I am somehow starting a YouTube video, but there we go. So you can stand it up, you can prop it up to watch videos. It'll lay sideways as well for movies and stuff like that, and then it just slides back up like so. Push on the bottom and it will clip back in. So very nice feature to have if you do a lot of video watching, which if you have a Note 10 Plus, I'm assuming you're probably going to do at least a little bit of it with that screen. Nice cutout for the camera and your sensors over here. See, I am touching the screen. Everything is very nicely laid out. Port cutouts are fine. You have a good amount of room to plug in your USB-C cable, USB-C headphones, whatever you may have, and you have easy access to your S Pen. It's not all closed up in there where you can't get it out. They have a nice wide opening in the corner there for your S Pen. So that is the Unicorn Beetle Pro from Supcase. I'll leave a link down in the description to where you can pick one up or check it out on Amazon. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.